For today's adventure, I am doing some waterfall hunting in Washington. It's just after 7 in the morning. Nice and cool out here in the Cascades, just around 60 degrees. Really excited today. Just really loving this place out here. And really excited to see some waterfalls. I'm doing 3 or 4 separated mini hikes today that are relatively close to each other. And today's hikes in through Washington should be really, really awesome. Pretty careful through here. I'm gonna rely on this tree heavily. Wow. All right, this is crazy. This bridge creaks. Ah, so intense. After doing Elk Mountain last week, this trail seems like a breeze. I feel like I could run it. Fun trail. And once again, I am totally alone. I haven't seen a person in over an hour. And I love it that way. Oh, great fun. It's starting to sound like I'm getting kind of close. I only caught a quick glimpse and I can already tell this waterfall is absolutely magnificent. Just absolutely magnificent. I am so excited right now. This is gonna be awesome. Just wow! Just wow! This waterfall is angry. so much power. Wow. And now we have to climb back up. So I've just discovered that there's this little secret path off to the side of the waterfall. I think this is kind of a desire path, and I'm gonna follow it and see if we can get some cooler views of the falls. I was just about to leave this first waterfall, but I don't think it's quite over yet. This is tricky in through here. Trying to be careful. Woo! It's definitely scary. Oh, well. Whoa! I'm stuck. Woo. Man. Ugh. Just wow! Look! I made it to the top of the waterfall. Or the top of the lower part of the falls anyway. Ugh. Man. Can't quite find the proper footing here. Grab onto some roots maybe. Put my foot there, all right. Work over here, all right. Work myself over here. Ah! Damn, that was a stretch, all right. Woo! Yeah, baby! Woo! Wow! This is awesome. This is insane. This is actually insane. Falls this way. Okay, I'm on my second trail for today, and this trail is to Panther Creek Falls. I've heard rumors that apparently this trail is officially closed, but it looks open to me. By the looks of it, this is a very new sign. It's a very, very short trail, but there are a lot of spots where people can and have injured themselves and even worse. So I'm gonna be really cautious on this one and take that seriously. As badly as I want to see these falls from the bottom of the valley, I'm gonna err on the side of caution. This sign is up for good reason. I'm not gonna show it out of respect to the family, but just right over there, there's a grave of somebody who passed away, who fell on this portion of the hike because it's not maintained, and that's why it's now closed. So I am not going to take any risks. I love going off the trail. I love doing things that are just on the edge, but I know when it's better to be safe. I'm just gonna call it a day at Panther Creek for now, and I still got one more waterfall to go to. So now I'm gonna gear up and I'm gonna head towards Spirit Falls, and that's gonna be my last waterfall for the day. Third trail, I'm making my way down to Spirit Falls, and I'm right in the gorge here. I have a beautiful, the whole gorge. There's the Columbia River out there. Those mountains on that side are Oregon. Got a bunch of lava rocks here. Kind of annoying to hike over. Really, really, really narrow trail. Very narrow. Oh wow. And very steep. Now this trail is extremely steep downhill. Hike back up will be fun. Wow, this trail is brutal. And here we have Spirit Falls. It's just fantastic. The water is crystal turquoise. Wow. It's been one hell of a day waterfall hunting in Washington. Couldn't have asked for a better day hiking out here. It's just phenomenal. Every waterfall that I saw had something unique about it, something different than the last. So tired. Woo! Man, exhausted. This last hike was brutal. Just an amazing day of waterfall hunting in Washington. Thanks for watching. See you next time.